We are pleased to show you the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, LED headlights, steel wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.